guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So we're going to spend the whole weekend together. Like, actually no, not the whole weekend, the whole week. What am I saying? We're gonna do so many fun stuff, guys. I'm so excited. Tune in, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bar makes the best big stuff that I've ever tasted. Like, you can smell it from the entrance. So good. So I'm gonna get my pepper steak pie. So excited. This banana bread is gonna be very sweet.
Which one?
All of them.
Yeah?
But it's good. Cakes are meant to be sweet.
Yeah. Don't you use which one?
Vanilla. Yes. I put a bit less flour, but this one is proper measurements. You could double in a bit to say, but it's still going to turn out great. I prefer this better to this one. That's a bit runny, but it's still okay. This one is a bit dense. That's how I like it to be. Good morning, guys. It is Friday the 6th of August 2021. It is around 9 a.m. It's actually just been really hectic. I woke up at 5 a.m. trying to get ready, doing final touches. We want to go visit Gogo in Zhombe this morning for about a week. Sorry, please ignore the boiling water. I really need a hot cup of cocoa because, yeah, it's been cold. So yeah, let's get our day started. I messed up. I did too much in the microwave because I like my milk warm. So yeah, but it's okay. Ooh, it's the froth for me. So gonna quickly run a few errands before we head out. Wanna go by the pharmacy, Kensington Pharmacy, and then we'll go to the service station to make sure that the car is all right, and then we head out. This is so fun! Guys, I'm getting a visitor and he just flew on me. This is so wild. I don't know if you guys can see that far. That street is called Bute. It's bad. It's Bute. It might be bad because there's Cameron there and there's Charter. That's Bute. And Cameron. Now we are leaving Harare. I'm actually quite psyched up. Like, I'm so excited. Look at baby Chandi. The whole fam is here. My Kulu and Gogo made sure that everybody had a picture. My sister is the plug. Yo, I was greeted by chicken, bro. I just want to give a special shout out to my cousin. Thank you so much. Happy Sabbath! Now we're gonna have Sabbath lunch. I'm so excited. Let me show you guys. My phone had gone to get charged the whole morning, so I'm only getting around to eating now. Those cheeks, they're so cute. One of the chicks passed on. That did not feel good. So with the people that sell these chicks, right, if one chick does, they've got a guarantee that you just cut off the feet and then for proof, and then they give you another, they replace. But that is so sad. Shame. Oh, I feel sad now. I don't know food Zhombe, guys. Go away. You guys put my stuff on the ground. I'm going to shout at you. Look at what you did. Oh, you guys are supposed to drink down there. What are you doing here? Go away.
Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a dance called I Got the 5. Oh, I got the 3, I got the 2, I got the 1, I got the DJ. Zumba, 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 run, babe, touch your leg and dance.
You just lost slow, I tell.
This is my Gogo. Gogo, she was my grade 1 teacher as well. Everybody's grade 1 teacher. Thanks. Yes. What about? When the Good morning. How are you? Ups. Ups. That's what my granddad used to call him. So sweet. Now look, I just said ups and he's smiling. So far. Just come from getting mausa for Gogo's chickens. Maisabuku, how are you?
I'm fine.
How was it collecting grass?
I'm fine. It was boring, so.
It was boring.
It's just sitting on the hitting sun.
Yeah, hey?
No.
Now we're gonna go rest.
Okay.
Nene, it was the
Soup and maize.
Nice. This is called Kudzura. She's made the fire pit and she's restoring this part of it. What badza? Ah. Oh, this is the finished product of what that lady was making. They actually said that it's called kudzura, not kupurira. Kupurira is thatching the house, but this is kudzura. Masala, I don't know that.
Hey fam.
You go Kuyela.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
We have the most beautiful sunrises here. Sunrises and sunsets. Just look at that. Wow. It's so cold. Good morning, guys. I will catch you in part 2 of my Zhombe vlog. I've decided to cut it into 2 because I figured it would be so long. There's so much content here. So yeah, I hope you liked this vlog and like, share, comment and subscribe.